Ready, start. It will be also noted that the Bandung Declaration further finds place for two specific safeguards in relation to this matter, namely that there should be no external pressures on nations and that collective defense arrangements should not be used to serve the particular interests of the big powers. Full stop. We are also happy that the declaration begins with a statement of adherence to human rights and therefore to the fundamental values of civilization. Full stop. If the conference made no other decision than the formulation of the principles of the Bandung Declaration, it would have been a signal achievement. Full stop. Para. So much for the actual work and achievement within the conference itself. Full stop. But any estimate of this historic week at Bandung would be incomplete and its picture would be inadequate if we did not take into account the many contacts established, the relations that have emerged, the prejudices that have been removed, and the friendships that have been formed. Full stop. More particularly, reference should be made to the conversations and happily some constructive results arising from private talks. Full stop. Such results have been achieved in regard to some of the difficulties that had arisen in relation to the implementation of the Geneva decisions in Indo-China direct meetings of the parties concerned and the good offices of others, including ourselves, have been able to help to resolve these difficulties and create greater understanding and friendship. Full stop. This is the position in regard to Cambodia, Laos, and of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. Full stop. We regret, however, that we have not been able to make progress in this regard in respect of South Vietnam. Full stop. This must await time and further endeavor. Full stop. The House is aware that the Prime Minister of China made while he was at Bandung a public statement announcing his readiness to enter into direct negotiations with the United States to discuss the question of relaxing tension in the Far East and especially the question of relaxing tension in the Formosa area. Full stop. We have known for some time that China was willing to enter into direct talks and other parties concerned have also not been unwary of it. Full stop. The announcement itself does not therefore represent a new attitude on the part of China, but the fact that this has been publicly stated at a gathering of the Asian and African nations represents a further and wholesome development. Full stop. If this is availed of by all concerned, it can lead to an approach towards peaceful settlement. Full stop. I had several conversations with Chinese premier and some of these related to Formosa. Full stop. At my request, our defense minister had also explored certain aspects of this question with the Prime Minister of China. Full stop. Overall,